Everybody, and welcome to my talent show. And I'm going to show you the sizes for today. Sully, Mike Wazowski, and Fogasaur. Alright, and I'm going to go away now and fly mystically away. I will be one of the people that act on the stage. Hiya! Actually, I'm not one of the people that act on the stage. First up, pink polka dot. Hello, everybody. It is such an honor to be here. And so I am going to sing. And I'm going to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, sounds good. Here I go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. So how did you like the cool sound effects? Those were not cool sound effects. Those were creepy sound effects. Well, just tell me, did you like them? No. Yeah, I guess I did like them. I'll show you this next time. I told you I liked it. I don't care! Looks like she's angry. Yeah. Next up is Blue Slothhead. Oh, hello everybody. My name is Blue Slothhead, and today I am going to make the weirdest sounds in the world. Okay. Oh wait, it's over. No, but one more thing. Oh, that was so disgusting. Yeah, I don't think that was good either. No. I mean, yeah, no. I think I'm gonna vomit. That was so disgusting. Oh my goodness, that was beautiful. Yes, that was gorgeous. That was beautiful. That was so beautiful. That was so bad. Rude. I was so good at the. Oh, that was so beautiful. Fogasaur, it was so bad. Ew! You're vomiting on me. Ew! Get off! Sorry. Oh my goodness, I gotta go to the bathroom to wash myself off. No one's ever been that rude to me before. I have to leave this place. This stinks. I'm back and we'll clean up life. Yeah. Okay, that was kind of awkward, but next up, Baby Stitz. Hey everybody, my name is Baby Stitz, and today I will be doing a very special dance. Sounds good. Yeah. before. And what's this? And it's over. Wow. Yes. 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 Of course you want to say yes, Bulbasaur. You always say yes. Okay. And the winner is Baby Stitz. Oh, thank you. It really is an honor. You were amazing, Baby Stitz. This is the first so Baby Stitz has ever won before in his life. Yeah!